everybody. Today I am going to do underwater volcano experiment. So these are the materials required for the experiment. This is half spoon of baking soda, and this is half spoon of citric acid, and 10 ml of water and 20 ml of cooking oil. So this is the yellow color, and this is funnel, and this is stirring stick. So 10 ml of water and pour it to this. So we need this funnel. Let's put this. Okay, sides. Finished. Sorry guys, I showed you yellow color, so it is red color. Now let's add the one drop of red color. One drop finished. So let's close it. Let's mix it with the stirring. Mix it. Okay, finished. Funnel inside and half scoop of baking soda. Add 20 ml of vegetable oil to the test tube. Why is oil and the water not mixing? Because this is lighter, the water is lighter than the oil is thicker than the water, so it's not mixing. Let's put some citric acid in. Did you like it, or did you get fun?